For 45 years, Don Joseph has been selling cars. For 40 of them, they've been happy to sell the Toyota brand automobile. Well, to celebrate their 45th anniversary, they're doing a little rehab of the dealership. It looks gorgeous. There's a lot of exciting things going on over at the dealership, and here to tell us all about those wonderful things is the general sales manager, Jessica Joseph. Welcome to the show.
Thanks.
Okay, your grandfather started this.
Yes.
Your father runs it.
Yes, he does.
But obviously you're the general sales manager.
I'm the general sales manager.
I'm very curious to find out, how has it been growing up in the car business? Even when times were good, it had to have been interesting seeing how the automotive industry has changed.
Yes, it's absolutely been so much fun growing up around the automotive industry. I mean, it's been part of my life since I can remember. Actually, we're very fortunate that we have a lot of, over 70% of our employees have been with us for 20 plus years.
And that says a lot.
That does. And we actually just have an employee that just celebrated his 30-year anniversary with us, and my father just sent him on a cruise to celebrate.
And your father's a very nice man.
Yes, he is.
So that doesn't surprise me at all. At what age did you say, okay, I actually want to start to have a hand in the dealership?
You know, again, ever since I was little, I remember my dad always taking me in on Saturdays and kind of working with him on Saturdays. I actually started working there, you know, around 12 years old. I started cleaning parts bins. My dad made that a fun job for me to do. And then when I was in high school, I started answering phones. I went off to Ohio State to get a degree in business and kind of see where that took me. And I came back, and the road led me right back to the dealership when we were opening up the Scion branch, which actually means descendant. And my father and I took that as a great opportunity for me to get started in the sales aspect of it and worked my way through sales, finance, and now general sales manager.
You have to earn your keep.
Yes, absolutely.
Now, how important is this relationship with Toyota? I mean, 40 years.
40 years.
That's a loyal
Yes, we are one of the oldest Toyota dealerships in the country, so we're very excited to celebrate that anniversary.
All right, now let's. I was talking about the construction.
Yes.
You know, after 45 years, you would think that you'd need to do a little rehab. No, you actually are redoing the service department. There's a lot of great things going on. Let's actually hear some pictures of.
Yes, we're actually just about to finish phase 3. There were 3 different phases of construction. The first phase was to start the 20,000 square foot brand new service and parts department that we have. And then phase 2 was taking the existing service and parts department and converting that into our new customer lounge and finance delivery area. And now we're just starting phase 3, and that's going to be the brand new customer showroom that you're going to see. So
how important is this customer lounge? I mean, so when people come and drop off their car for service, or if they're picking up a new one, this customer lounge could be very key to customer service.
Yes, customer lounge. My favorite part is the delivery area. When a customer comes to pick up their car now, take delivery of their vehicle, which should be an exciting time for them, it's actually going to be indoors now. Obviously, living in Ohio, you never know what the weather's going to be.
Right.
So, again, when you pick up your car, you want it to be exciting. You don't want to pick it up with 2 inches of snow piled on top of it. So now it's going to be all indoors, so no matter what the weather is, they can pick it up and drive it away brand new and clean.
A lot of great things going on over there. But you're also offering a special limited lifetime powertrain warranty.
Correct.
What's that mean to the customer?
Well, what that means, in celebrating our 40-year anniversary, we kicked off this limited lifetime powertrain warranty for our customers, which means any customer that buys a new Toyota or Scion from us, they will get a lifetime powertrain warranty. It's exclusive to Don Joseph Toyota, and that means if you drive your car for 300,000 miles and something goes wrong with it in the powertrain, we're going to take care of it. So it's a lifetime of peace of mind for our customers.
Now that's a warranty.
Yes, that is.
So, well, Jessica, it's obviously going to be a beautiful state-of-the-art facility.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good luck with everything.
Thank you.
And I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks.
You'll be around for another 100 years. John Joseph Toyota, 888-607-2584, or just go to their website, donjosephtoyota.com. Thanks again.
Thank you.
All right, coming up on Good Company today, we're going to tell you simple ways to save money at your home, and then we're going to learn about freestyle cruising on our hot travel deal of the week. We'll be right back with more Good Company today.
This segment of Good Company was paid for by Don Joseph Toyota.
It's a great idea. Okay. So just put your hand in a little bit, just put a little bit of water on there.